A cozy living room is filled with warmth and love as family members gather together, eagerly awaiting their welcome, dear viewers, to our special Thanksgiving edition. Today, we celebrate the power of gratitude and the joy it brings when shared with our loved ones. I'm your host, and I'm delighted to have you join us. The host stands in a bustling kitchen, surrounded by family members preparing delicious dishes. Laughter and the aroma of turkey fill the air. Thanksgiving is not just about the turkey and the pies, but it's about the traditions that create lasting memories. It's a day when we come together, leaving our busy lives behind, to truly appreciate each other's company. The dining table is beautifully set, adorned with pumpkins, candles, and a sense of anticipation. The family gathers around, ready for the feast. As we share this special meal, remember Thanksgiving is not simply about the food, but about the bonds we strengthen, the stories we exchange, and the love we pour into every dish. Each family member takes turns expressing what they are thankful for, highlighting the importance of gratitude and togetherness.
I am grateful for my family, for seeing beautiful faces gathered here. It warms my heart.
I'm thankful for laughter, the ability to make memories with all of you, and of course, for Grandma's legendary pumpkin pie.
That's right, Uncle John. Let's cherish these moments, for creating memories is what makes this day truly special. The family migrate back to living room, where comfort and relaxation await. The host sits by ready to deliver the final message. As the day gradually comes to an end, let's remember that Thanksgiving is not just a holiday. It is a reminder that every day should be filled with gratitude and appreciation for the extraordinary things we have in our lives. Remember, dear viewers, no matter the season, each and every one of us holds the power to shape our destinies, to express love and achieve extraordinary things.